Hey Crypto fam, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest market moves and showing you tools that can seriously level up your trading. The crypto market is sitting up again. Bitcoin is showing more volatility, altcoins are slowly picking up, and smart traders can easily benefit in the coming week. BTC dominance is shifting, altcoins could see early gains, liquidity is flowing back into the market, institutional players are stepping in more aggressively, retail traders are cautiously returning and expect moves in BTC, ETH, SOL, and mid-cap tokens this month. So staying alert in the next weeks or few weeks could make all the difference for your trades. And speaking of trades, there are so many crypto exchanges in the market. By experience, BingX Exchange and found it's better and easy to use than others. You can easily trade and do transaction of your crypto. Here's why BingX is more than just another exchange. Founded in 2018, BingX is leading up crypto exchange and Web3 AI company serving over 40 million users globally. It's not just a trading, it's about trading smarter. Whether you're into the derivative spot trading or copy trading, BingX offers AI-powered tools that simplify your strategy. Now let's break down why BingX goes beyond alpha. It has a massive use base and growth, 40 million users with 100% year-over-year growth, innovation, security, and services make it unstoppable. Built on innovation, BingX AI leading the next era of AI-driven trading futures trading, ranked top 5 globally for derivatives, spot trading, one-stop hub with 170 plus public chains. So why traders loved it? From the beginning to pros, everyone benefits from copy trading, AI insight, and secure trading environment. BingX isn't just surviving the market, it's redefining how the world. Back to trading. Most people don't lose money because they know nothing about the market. They lose because they have no clear plan, no risk management, and they trade purely on emotion. If you just start doing these three things, you'll already be ahead of most traders. Point number 1, always think about how much you can lose before how much you can make on each trade. Only risk about 1 to 2% of your account. And then point number 2, never enter a trade without a plan. Before you click buy or sell, you should know your entry, your stop, loss, and your take profit. A trade without a plan is basically a gamble. A platform can give you tools. BingX has AI analysis, copy trading, and risk tools to help you execute a better, but it can give you discipline. That part is 100% on you. And lastly, the point number 3. Understand market structure. Don't just chase every green candle. Ask yourself, are we in an uptrend or just raging? Are you really in the move or buying the top? And if you want to trade in more structured way instead of just chasing hype, you can check out BingX. The sign up link is in the description and the pin comment trade with your means and you use leverage responsibly. So if you found this breakdown helpful, smash the like button to subscribe and comment below which can you're watching this week. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.